Thanks for joining me again. This is part 2 of my Lovesac review / how to set up. This is my co-host Fitzgerald. He looks a little scruffy because we've been on quarantine, kind of like me. Say hey to everyone, Fitzy. Okay, he's not speaking today. All right, so this is, like I said, this is part 2 of my Lovesac review. It's been 2 days since part 1. You want to give it like a day to 2 days to kind of let all the durafoam really expand. When they ship it, like I said in the first video, all of the durafoam is shrunken down to like 1/8 of its size. So you want to give it like a day to 2 days. Truthfully, it's gonna take about a week for it to reach its full potential. But all right, so let's jump into step 3. Step 3 is kind of like an extenuation of step 2. You want to rotate, flip, and fluff. Make sure you pull around the edges so you can really get that durafoam out. Fluffed, like I said, it's gonna take about a week or so for it to get its full potential. I think this is fluffed enough. We're gonna go ahead and put the sack on, but first we need to flip it over. Step 4, we need to flip it over so that the Lovesac logo flag is facing up. So, did all that flipping, I probably should have read the instructions first, right? All right, let's go on to step 5 now. Step 5 says, put your unzipped cover over the sack so the bottom seam of the cover lines up with the top seam. So here's the little seam right here that you want to line up. Covers have laces that tie to loops on the sack for the insert. So these little loops, they look like this. I'm going to put my finger through it so you can kind of see it. It's on both sides. So you can kind of see it. Let's see the cover I got. So I ordered 2 covers just because, if you know me, you understand. It's me. I got the obsidian fur as the first cover because it will come in the fastest. And then I have a custom cover that'll be coming in about 6 to 8 weeks. All right, so this cover feels amazing, by the way. Oh my God. Found my new daytime spot. All right, so let's unroll it. As you can see, this thing is huge, kind of like my Lovesac. Right. So remember, step 5 said we need to line the seams up. So let's do that now. Up kind of like a shoestring. So, which, funny story, I really don't wear shoes that often. So I was just telling my partner the other day that I have not tied shoes up in like 7 years. All right, good. So we're gonna do that on the other side as well. Step 6, pull the 2 sides of the cover together as you zip downwards, rotating the sack as you zip. That was kind of self-explanatory, but all right. So step 6 is zipping this all the way around. Remember to rotate as you zip. I promise you that will make your life a lot easier. As you can see, I'm one person doing it. Rotate as you zip. And for the people like me who are like, okay, so it has this logo on one side. So if you look at the instructions closely, it shows you that the beanbag logo will be at the bottom and the sack or the cover logo will be at the top. So I had to pause the video the first time because I thought I was messing up. Transparency. All right, so let's keep going. We're almost there. I swear this feels like working. Almost at the finish line. All right. All right. So now that we've gotten the cover added, we completed all 7 steps. We're gonna, before I do my review, I want to test out the foot sack that comes with it. Well, doesn't come with it, it definitely costs. But I mean, all the reviews were positive, so let's open it up and see. Oh, this thing, it feels great too. Oh, and it's huge. Oh, it's not as huge as I thought it was. I mean, a nice little cover to throw in here. All right, so let's test it out, right? Oh, I forgot you guys. I forgot I was recording. Well, my review, I give it 5-star reviews, raving reviews. No, honestly, it's super comfortable. The throw is super warm. I stay in the desert, so I won't be under it like that unless my house is super cold. But I mean, it's comfortable. I want to lay under it. I guess I'll make a video in about a week or 2 and let you know my true review and let you know what I really think about it after I get to use it, sit around on it, Fitzgerald comes back and plays with it. Until then, guys, see you later and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.